Of course, as an artist on Redbubble or another PD platform, you want to make your items more attractive to customers to drive them to purchase your products. And to do that, there are two fundamental points. Number one, make beautiful and simple designs. And of course, I have talked about how to create amazing and simple designs just by using simple tools like Canva, Placeit, or even some phone applications. And of course, we can find this big list below in the description box. And the point number two, you have to make an appropriate positioning or adjustment of your design on all items on Redbubble. For example, as for t-shirts, you have to make your design a little bit under the collar edge. That way, you make your design covers the front side of your t-shirt entirely. So what about the all other items on Redbubble like mugs? Here in mugs, if you leave your design here in the center of this template, you can find your design in the front side of your mug. Therefore, it is not visible by a lot of customers. It is not favorable by a lot of people. So you have an option. You can move the design a little bit to the right or to the left. And here you can find your design would be in one side, either left or right, and the other side would miss your design. And by all means, many customers want to purchase a mug that contains two designs on both sides, whether they are similar or different designs. So how to do that in Redbubble easily and simply, even without using any professional software. First of all, just you can scroll down a bit to this one, download artwork template, click over this one, and therefore you head over this Google Drive. Contains two different formats of this template, PSD and PNG. So we can select this one, PNG, and here you will find the dimensions of the mug, either standard mug or tall mug. And in this video, just we can focus on standard mug. So you have to remember these dimensions: for length 1120 and for width 2700. Okay, perfect. And now we can go back to Redbubble, and firstly, just you can turn this dark background to a bright color like white, for example. Perfect. And now we can minimize the design as much as possible. Okay, and now it's time to take a screenshot of this part, as you see. So you can use any screenshot tool like Lightshot, Nimbus, and so on. So for today, I'd like to use this one, Lightshot, and make a precise screenshot of this part, as you see. Perfect. Much better. And save this one. And now it's time to head over this amazing website that is vistacreate.com. And of course, VistaCreate is a head-to-head competitor to Canva.com, where you can create professional posts for social media, beautiful designs, and so on. And of course, there are a lot of amazing features. Here, VistaCreate is superior to Canva in the free plan. And of course, I have talked about all these features in a previous video. You'll find this video below in the description box. Anyway, to create our mug template, so we can head over this one, custom size. And now we can insert the dimensions that we have got from the template in PNG format, like for width 2700 and for height 1120. Okay, 1120, and create your design step by step, simply. And now it's time to upload your files, the screenshot and your designs, similar designs or different designs, to insert in the both sides of your mug. So we can head over this one, uploads, and upload image. Perfect. And now we got our files like the screenshot, as I said before, and your design. So first off, just you can drag and drop your screenshot here to this canvas and fill your canvas with your screenshot, as you see. So you can drag to this angle and fill your canvas as much as possible. Perfect. And now it's time to upload and drag your design, as you see here. So you have to make your design over this edge, like that, for example. So here you can insert in the post side the same design, or you can drop any other design. Okay, so for example, we can make a duplication, Ctrl-D, and make your design opposite to this one. Okay, and now it's time to remove this background or your screenshot template. So you can select this one and just you can remove. Perfect. And now your template is ready to upload on your mug. Head over to this download and select download as, and select your PNG transparent. It's one of the amazing features here on Placeit compared to Canva.com in the free plan. Just here you can download your design as PNG with a transparent background. So PNG transparent, and download your design and your file. That's simple. Perfect. And it's time now to go over Redbubble. Okay. And go to this one, edit replace image, and upload your file. Two similar or different designs, as you see. So here you can find your design in both sides of your mug. So you have to change this background to black as you want, background color, and make it black, as you see. Perfect. And apply changes. You can change the size of your designs in Placeit as you want. So you can go over to Placeit, here, back to editing, and here you can make your design larger, as you see, and in the similar size of the opposite design, as you see. Okay, as you see, and download your design PNG with a transparent background and upload it later on Redbubble in your mug template. So customer can purchase your product that contains two similar or different designs on both sides. Here, this method is for free. And the second method is easier just by use Placeit.net. Of course, I have talked about this amazing trick to upload a ready-to-use template for your Redbubble mug just with one click. And to the end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.